Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the exact motherboard model and that it includes a Wi-Fi module. This matters because firmware and antenna placement differ. Once done, flash the latest BIOS to ensure radio firmware compatibility and improved stability, and make sure the system is powered correctly. Connect the external antennas firmly to the SMA or RP-SMA connectors and ground yourself to avoid static. These first steps prevent hardware conflicts and prepare the board so drivers and firmware can be installed reliably. You next install firmware and drivers in a specific order because dependencies matter. Chipset drivers first, then the Wi-Fi adapter driver so the OS recognizes the radio correctly. If your board uses M.2 CNVI or a PCIe Wi-Fi card, enable that interface in BIOS. Otherwise, the adapter will remain invisible. Once done, reboot and confirm device presence in the OS network settings. Make sure power management settings won't disable the adapter. Otherwise, connections can drop under load. Finally, you scan for networks and connect, choosing 5 GHz when available because it reduces interference and often gives higher throughput. Once connected, run speed and stability tests to verify throughput and latency. If results are poor, update drivers or firmware and repeat tests. If issues persist, reset antennas, verify BIOS wireless settings, and ensure no physical obstructions or RF sources nearby. A key troubleshooting tip: toggle the Wi-Fi radio in BIOS and reset the module. This often resolves detection or intermittent drop issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.